Keeping the air in your home fresh and clean is super important, and it all starts from the bottom up. Let's discuss the benefits of having a dehumidifier in your basement and how to choose the right size for your home. Basements can get damp and humid over time, which can lead to all sorts of problems from structural damage to health and safety concerns. Remember, air travels upward, so bad air in the basement can quickly spoil the rest of your home too. A dehumidifier is an appliance that removes excess moisture from the air, making your basement a healthier and more comfortable space. One of the most significant benefits is that it prevents mold and mildew growth, which can be harmful to your health and damage your property. It also eliminates musty odors common in damp environments. So not only will your basement smell fresher, but you'll also be breathing healthier air. Now, let's talk about choosing the right size dehumidifier for your basement. Dehumidifiers come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, and the features that matter for your home. Capacity is measured in pints of water they can remove from the air. Generally, the larger your basement, the higher the capacity you'll need. For a basement between 500 and 1500 square feet, we recommend a dehumidifier with a capacity of 50 to 60 pints per day. For basements between 1,500 and 2,500 square feet, consider a 70 to 80 pint capacity. For the basements larger than 2,500 square feet, you'll need a dehumidifier with a capacity of 80 pints or more. However, these are just rough estimates, and your specific needs may vary. Besides capacity, consider other features like manually emptying versus self-draining, and air cleaning and filtering options. Self-draining models are more convenient as they automatically dispose of the collected water, and air filtration systems are the best way to keep mold spores and other contaminants from mingling with your basement air and hitching a ride into the rest of your home. Having the right dehumidifier for your basement is crucial for maintaining a healthy and comfortable living environment. It prevents mold, eliminates odors, protects your home's structural integrity, and it improves the overall comfort. Remember to choose a dehumidifier that suits your basement's size and your specific needs. If you need help choosing the right dehumidifier for your home, call Groundworks today for a free basement inspection.